set the eyebrow with the suitable rose color. I have taken brown color, concealed the eye with a fair tone. I have taken this tone according to my tone model. Apply locking powder to lock the eye concealer. I have taken TL1 for lock. Use the fluffy brush to apply soft neutral shade to crease. I have taken lightish pink to neutral shade. Choose the dark shade to the outer and inner of the eye for creating the halo effect. I have taken maroon color. Now apply some shimmer or pigment to eyelid for highlighting the eyeball. I have taken Eye Magic Shimmer. Also apply some glitter for enhanced extra shine. I have used silver glitter of Eye Magic. It's depend on you if you want to apply, otherwise avoid it. Then add the eyelash for heavy look. Now classic liner to the upper lash area. Now apply dark shade to the lower lash area as you have given upper eyeshadow. Smudge it nicely and properly. Put white kajal in it. Give some highlighter to brows bone area, but only 10%. And eyes are ready.